So you want all the functionality of Loom with your Mac for free. Why wouldn't you? You're going to save £15 a month or whatever it is, the subscription. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that using QuickTime Player and Google Drive. So I've set the camera up so you can see the screen, and what you basically need to do first, stop doing that, is open QuickTime Player. So you can either do that through the applications or through the command space and searching for QuickTime Player. Then from there, what you need to do is it opens just blank like this. You may have done a screen recording before. This is a little bit different. So ignore that first window that appears. What you want to do is press File. So let's just go like this so you can see. So press File up the top left, and then you want to go to New Movie Recording. So rather than screen recording, and there you have it. There's me. So you can drag this to whatever size you want. So Loom would usually be, I don't know, something like that size down the corner. So we'll make it like that. The important next step is we go back up to the top to View, and you want to click Float on Top. So, right, what that does is this window here, it means that it stays on the top layer. So once you've started screen recording, or if you open another window, like if you're doing a tutorial, obviously you want this to be on top of, in this example, Google Chrome. So then you just make sure you've got the right input. So I'm just going to use the FaceTime HD camera. If you've got an external microphone, you can use that. And then if you've got, well, you can use your continuity camera on your iPhone, or you can, pick your options for your microphone there. Then, so that's not it. We then go back up to the top to the File and then New Screen Recording. So once you've done that, then you get this window down the bottom. And then we have to first change the settings. So go to Options. You can show mouse clicks, which is great again for doing the tutorials. Pick your microphones. So this is again an important step. So select your microphone from this list here. So let's go for the iMac microphone, and then save location. So I'm going to save this to the desktop. And then you can also have a countdown timer if you like. So let's go with that. And this is set to record entire screen. It wasn't, it was selected on portion, so you can either do selected, the window. For this example, I'm going to do entire screen. So then all you do is you get this little camera icon here, and you hit record like that. So then there's a countdown here, but don't forget to also hit the record button here. So then that's going to start recording both at the same time. So that is basically all you need to do. So this is just, obviously let's make this an example. Let's scroll through this web page. Let's pretend we're doing a tutorial. You can still use everything like you usually would. Click through. So then, say once we've ended the recording, what you then want to do is go back up to this top, sorry, let's move this up, back up right to the top bar, and then you'll see this little icon here. So that stops the screen recording. Hit that, and then what that will do is save it. You won't be able to see it because I've selected Save to Desktop. So let's just now check the desktop. Yep, it's there. And let's stop this movie recording. And then we can open this. And then take a look. So let's move this little one out of the way. I'm going to hit delete on this. You don't need to save that one. And then, so then that's going to start recording both at the same time. Audio's coming through. So that is basically all you need to do. So this is just, obviously this. So that's the screen recording done. Obviously that's only half the step, because if you want to share it with different, it might be clients or it might be even on YouTube. The next step is to, let's pop this back down, is to save it. So if you just go File and then save it in whatever location you like, that will save that video. Then usually people choose to use Loom because it's great for sharing and it's free to use. Well, it's not free because you pay for their subscription, but to use their servers for that space of the video. But you can take that file, and with Google Drive you get something like, what is it, like 15 or 25 gig for free, and then create a folder in your Google Drive where you keep all your recordings, add that one in, and then you want to click share the link, and then you can share, select anyone with a link can view that video, copy the link, and then you send them the link, and then they can access that video file whenever they like and to delete it. So that is it. You've saved yourself that money. Hope you found that helpful. I'm going to keep it nice and short and to the point. But yeah, cheers for watching.